Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your second week's exclusive love reading starting from February 10th to February 16th. Your cards are already out. Before I move forward, I would like to give you a good news that I have started multiple readings on my channels. Personal readings, if you have any love, health, money, success, business, family, any particular question, you can ask me in personal readings. I also do oracle love readings, which is specially for no contact people to channel what are their partner's current feelings. You can book that as well. The third reading that I've just started today is about the blockages. If you are facing any blockages, I will be giving you a ritual to do. I will be giving you the positive affirmation that you have to do and what are the divine messages from your guardian angels. Okay, please, if you want to book any reading, you can DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. I will give you the charges, extremely cheap charges, extremely cheap. And if you want to book any other reading, just DM me. All the readings might not be mentioned in the description box, but you can book it. For people outside India, the charges are different, whether you are NRI or anybody else. And people in India, the charges are different. So I'll have to give you the charges accordingly. All right. So now let's start with your reading. You have got the cardinal card and the four of suns, and you've got the two of moons and the nine of suns. So Pisces, I do see you going through a very brave action. Okay, I do see that some of you might have not told your family about your partner, about your love relationship, because you thought they will never accept it or it's going to complicate your situation, right? I do see you now taking that brave step and telling your parents about your love affair, or your partner is taking a brave action and introducing you to their family. So I do see you progressing in this. I do also see your family or their family accepting you and celebrating this relationship, and this is something you could never imagine. So I do see celebrations, family gatherings, and a happy home environment. So if you want to break out the good news to your parents, or if they want to break out the good news to their parents, they can go ahead and do it now. Second week of February is going to be very good for that. To the other of you who are going through a no contact, or who are talking to people on dating apps, matrimonial app, marriage prospects, or if your partner has not chosen you, or if you know that they have a lot of options, they're talking to other people, worry not, because I do see them choosing you over the others. You have got the card of nine of suns, which means you are like a lion and they are like a sheep. Who are the sheep? All the people they're talking to, right? So you stand out amongst all the options that they have, amongst all the people they are talking to. So you're definitely going to get success in this as well. They are going to choose you over multiple options that they would have, or if they have left you for somebody else, they're definitely going to come back. So I do see new beginnings for you. I do see reconciliation for you. To all those who are single, I do see a beautiful union happening. You choosing each other, right? Not a forced connection, you both choosing each other. So Pisces, it's going to be an amazing week for you guys. If you loved this reading, if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. If you have any comments, any queries regarding the readings, you can always DM me on the Moksha Tarot on Instagram, or email me at astasharma842 at gmail.com. If you have specific questions regarding your health, family, love, career, success, money, you can ask me in personal readings. If you want to channel your partner's current feelings, if you're going through a no contact or breakup situation, then you can book an oracle love reading. And if you feel that you have blockages in some way, like your life is just not moving forward, and regarding money or your career or your love life or your family life, then you can book a ritual with me, right? A affirmation positive guidance session with me. So please DM me and I will give you every detail that you want. Till then, please take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.